They get a gig, and they don't realize it till they get there, but it's neo-Nazis. Oh, they're playing to a bunch of skinheads.
Right on. Tough crowd.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Anybody playing for neo-Nazis is feeling the pressure. I've been watching a lot of videos on monkeys, and it's just interesting how...
Be careful.
What?
Careful how?
What?
Nothing.
I hope I don't
Continue
pull
the
Okay.
my
story.
mic out.
Anyway.
No, but just like a lot, like you watch a video of a monkey, and you're like, just like me. I mean, come on.
Like, if you showed me a magic trick, I'd make that face too.
That's pretty good. Yeah. No, it's like, and if I didn't grow up with solid like intellectual people in my ear, and then if I didn't grow up with that, and I got hit with the Darwin theory, I'd be like, oh yeah, yeah, no, that's me.
Yeah.
That's where I'm from.
I could have been running around on all fours.
Yeah, yeah.
No problem.
I'd do that right now.
You see, in the 60s, they taught a troop of chimpanzees how to ice skate. And there is video footage of these chimpanzees just skating around
Yes.
on an ice rink. And I'm like, that's
so lit.
back when people were
Come on.
creative and having fun.
Yeah, that's when
The 60s.
humans were, well,
You're like,
almost to a
yo,
fault.
chimpanzees ice skating. Yeah.
Yeah, let's put these fuckers on skates, dude.
This will take us 2 years of our entire life.
But it'll be awesome.
It's
But this is definitely something that's never
Can you
been done
imagine
before.
how many music videos we can put these chimps on skates in? This is going to rule the 60s.
Yeah, no more
Oh my
Disney on
gosh.
ice. Now it's just chimps on ice.
Chimps on ice.
Disney chimps on ice.
Wow.
That would
dress them
be-
up like princesses.
Oh,
Put lipstick on them.
got Rapunzel,
you got
the
the-
chimp with a huge wig.
The Lion
Tripping
King,
all over himself.
The Lion King, only chimps on ice skates.
Are you saying now we just put chimps on the stage
Yes.
and we have them reenact
Yeah.
different scenes live from like Lion King, but it's
Yeah.
all like no talking.
Like, I think we've gotten good enough at acting and everything. So let's like see how good we can get other animals at acting.
You think you could
Yeah.
teach a chimpanzee to sing?
Yeah. Teach this chimp a Boston accent. Imagine you got some chimp going, where's it at walking here? Fuck. I'm strutting.
Boston.
I'm from Boston. Yeah.
Oh,
Ooh, ooh, ow, ah.
gotta get my car.
Gotta get my.
ah.
Ooh, ooh, what? Yeah, we're past all
I
that.
think I'm getting a message in a bottle.
A message in his
Oh
pants.
my goodness.
Whoa.
All right.
This one has love on the outside of it.
You can go first.
This part of the show is called Message in a Bottle. Before each episode, each brother takes 5 minutes to write a paragraph based off of a seed word and give it to a fellow brother to read out loud in an attempt to make everyone laugh. This week's seed word or phrase, I guess, is rescue shelter, like animal rescue shelter. No laughing is allowed starting now. I'll go first. This one's from Keenan. The year was 3003, and all the rescue centers for dogs still looked like shit. The mutts in the future are so grotesque that nightmares were reported by all civilians that went dog shopping in the kennels. There was one dog that looked so bad the kennel owners named him the Devil's Wife and would feed him Takis and oat cakes for fun, just to see him get cranky and shit a red omelet of poo. The Devil's Wife escaped one night and got a hold of the kennel owner's address. He proceeded to shit red Taki dust all over their Jeep Cherokees. What was that?
It almost got
No,
Andrew. He almost
got me.
It almost got me.
I
It
was
almost
kind of targeting Andrew, not gonna lie, because I said Takis 3 times
He
in
did
there.
say
Oh,
Takis.
yeah.
Takis
He knew his
on there.
audience
The Devil's Wife eating Takis
was funny.
That was the joke.
Yeah.
I brought my son to get him a new dog for his birthday. We entered our local rescue center to look at the pups. The first one was a flea-bitten, no-good, overweight, lard-ass dog. My son thankfully said no. The second one started to violently hump my leg. No amount of kicking could stop him. The last dog looked okay when I entered the room and we started to pet him. Then the dog said, yeah, rub it, bitch. We did not get a dog that day. What? So you just perverted dogs. I mean, that is kind of like what's going through the mind of a dog when it's humping the shit out of your leg. Like, that's inappropriate.
Well, what do you do when a dog humps your leg?
Hump it
What's
back.
wow?
Only option.
I go band for band with that dog, and I hump his leg. Yeah, it's
Wow.
kind of a fun game you can play if you're ever alone by yourself. You know,
Whoa.
No. Can't say I have been.
No. No, I don't think that's
Yeah, it's like a
I thought there was a dog at least with you.
yeah, it's just like a game you play, like when you're alone.
you guys don't do that?
you and your dog, right? Jar of peanut butter. And
Okay, I'm gonna read
Anyway,
this one.
this one's
bro.
from me.
who said that?
Nate, Rescue Center. My flea-bitten mutt that looked like a completely upside-down mop and a diaper puked on my brand new Goodwill rug. What a useless mule, I mutter and take a dump on the dog's face. I named the dog Mike Tyson Hentai, Bonehead Nutsack, or Big
That
Dum
is-
Dum for short.
That's unfair.
I lashed at least a chain around his neck and looked at the scar where his balls used to be. Bet you missed these, huh, Big Dum Dum? Stupid mongrel doesn't know English. I throw him onto the engine of my Corvette because the rest
What?
of my I throw him onto the engine of my Corvette because the rest of my car is filled with Viagra.
What? Okay.
I drive
all
the
right.
rescue shelter and open the hood. The dog. The dog is smoldering.
My gosh. Holy shit.
and fur. I throw him onto the doorstep. Proud to have given him a new home.
And that piece was titled Rescue Center. That's the craziest part.
That's
Oh
probably-
man, that's the one.
best one.
That
That's
was
the one
the-
I've made
obviously the
Andrew
best
laugh
one.
the most. I don't
the
think
dog
Andrew's
was named Mike Tyson Hentai.
Mike Tyson
Hentai Boner.
hentai bonehead.
Mike Tyson Hentai Bonehead Nutsack. Or Big Dum Dum. How does he go by Big Dum Dum for short?
You got to shorten that name somehow.
Come here, Mike Tyson Hentai Bonehead Nutsack. Mike Tyson Hentai Bonehead Nutsack. Come here. Come here. Mike Tyson Hentai Bonehead Nutsack.
Shouting it at a dog park. Here,
It's
boy.
It's my dog's name.
It's my dog's. I can say that.
I can say it's my legal dog name, right? I got it in writing.
The land guard runs up to you. What? You got what in writing? Let me see that.
Yeah, papers.
Papers, please.
Yeah.
He's got the swastika on his butt.
Hey, this is a mutt. Take him, Susie, down.
pulls a what is it called? That no, not a Beretta. Golly, I
He
forgot
pulls
what
a
it was.
gun out.
He pulls a gun out. Fine. I
Yeah.
was gonna say the one that Hoobler wanted. A Luger. Thank
he
you.
pulls a
Thank you,
Luger
Band of
out.
Brothers.
Take the hentai Mike Tyson to the damn chambers.
You said you had one prompt. What you got?
So
Were you
my
lying
prompt-
about that?
No, my prompt was.
Oh, Andrew does have a good.
Oh, Andrew has a prompt.
Don't tell me this is good.
Oh, it's
Okay.
actually
Andrew has a
shit.
prompt.
My
Andrew's
prompt
prompt
is
sucks.
the world has declined greatly in our carbon problem. So
Agreed.
in order to make non-carbon housing and everything organic, we start constructing homes out of vegetables.
Right.
So they just use like ground up carrots formed in the wood logs, and then all the spackling and
Be
like
like-
caulk is just like mashed potatoes, and they just like smear it
Like you've seen the videos of people like fixing holes in the road.
with
They're
like ramen and
of
stuff.
like ramen and they're just like whatever building material.
They're still doing that.
Anything could be a building material.
Right.
Yeah. They're still everybody's doing it.
If you dried out enough mashed potatoes, like
If
you
you
could live in it.
if you haven't
What?
yeah.
Okay, are you making like mashed potato concrete out of this?
Right.
You're, like mixing it with rocks?
Mashed
or-
potato concrete. You got
Right.
workers on the job like, oh, I'm so fucking hungry.
We haven't mixed the powder with the mashed potatoes. Help yourself.
yeah.
Making whole handfuls out of it.
Lunch is included.
Mortar, just slapping taters. In it.
Using
Okay, so what's your roof made out of?
a roof
So
beignets.
yeah,
It's
it's just
got to
a
be something durable.
That's durable bass beignets. Stale beignets.
And what's stale crepes?
yeah.
Just in the form of shingles.
Yeah.
No. If you have a whole house
Mm-hmm.
and you need to have like walls have girth to them because you don't want the first windstorm to just knock over your potato walls.
Right.
What are you gonna do in order to make them stronger?
To make my potato walls stronger.
Yeah, you got to
Well,
make your potatoes
I
walls.
deep fry
And
it.
are things how's your house not gonna get eaten
Uh-huh.
by bugs and vermin
Well, they will. That's why
or people?
Exterminators.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just have an exterminator living in your house.
Yeah. Everybody's got an exterminator.
Everyone.
Like a butler for your house and an exterminator, just
Yeah, you in your
Everybody's got a
vegetable
butler
house.
and an
ins-
exterminator.
insecticide all over your house.
Just smells
man.
like chemicals
Yeah,
constantly.
it's just industrial chemical.
I can't wait to go to
Smell.
work. Finally, won't smell like.
Oh gosh. I come home to the smell of a car dealership and I just feel like killing myself. Can't wait to go to work at my 9 to 5 where they spritz cherry blossom scent in the air.
Wow, that's how they get you to love your work is to build your house out of vegetables.
Yeah.
Right. And
Like
then-
you got an apple for your doorknob or something.
Well, it's like a lookalikes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
That's how
Everything's-
I think of it. Something,
I
yeah.
think your table's made out of graham crackers.
Yeah.
And then they do like car interiors, and it's just like loaves of bread.
Yeah, loaves of bread.
Loaves of bread you
Yeah.
just sit on. That'd probably be pretty comfy.
Oh, sure, yeah. For the first time that you do it.
Your keys are like a
It's like a 10-year-old car.
It's like
This just crater for the
It's like
seat should
so stale. Like a crouton for a seat.
Yeah, we this one we're gonna have to trash because the yeast didn't rise that well.
Yeah, your countertop's just like marbled taffy.
Yeah. I gotta eat something. I'm hungry. Grab some countertop. I don't know.
Grab some. Help yourself to whatever looks good in the kitchen.
Yeah. Anything. Sorry. Hey, not the cabinets.
I ate your fixture. Well, I hope you enjoyed it.
I hope you liked the candy fixtures.
What would be the coolest injury or scar to have? What would you have received?
Big gash on my forehead.
Okay.
From puppy play.
I'm sorry?
Whoa.
Okay, guess you guys,
Rescue Center.
guess you guys don't know what puppy play is. What about
I
pony?
really want to make sure that
Pony
air
play?
is cleared about this. Pony play? Where are we? What?
Yes, Cody Cohen and Noel Miller did it. Come on, guys.
Dude.
Pony play.
No, you
Cody
lost me.
Cohen and Noel Miller did it. There's that's like the furries, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, boy.
That's puppy play, right? And then you have pony play, which
Oh,
is
I
people
do remember pony
dressing
play.
up as horses
And
and
pretending
nailing
they're
each other.
horses. Yeah, they
Yeah.
are. They're role-playing horses, and they get
So-
really into it.
Big gash on my forehead
From pony play. You want to have a
Yeah.
big gash on your forehead from someone kicking you that's wearing a horseshoe on their foot.
from my skull just smashing against the headboard. Oh my gosh, how'd you get that? Oh, well, not here.
Pony play. We
We're
were
at
playing a
church.
little hard.
And that is the coolest scar.
That's the coolest scar you could ever get
yeah.
Yes,
from
dude.
pony play.
That's right. No, real. Get real, guys.
I'm
okay?
trying to get real.
Come on, be serious.
Okay, I'm serious now. Andrew, what about you? Coolest scar you could get?
Pass
Coolest scar would probably be a tidal wave of ants just
Eating you because they were hunting you and it was ant season.
But then the day hits 12 o'clock and then they stop.
Oh, so you just have like this
Yeah.
gradient scar across your chest.
Yeah, it looks sick. It's like wallpaper engine.
Yeah. I want my body to look like a wallpaper.
Every year the ants come back and do a different piece on you.
Yeah.
This year we're doing a Van Gogh.
Yeah. Where do you want it? You want it on the back of your neck?
Could you do a swastika on my butt?
No, we stopped doing
No,
that.
No.
Those are way out.
We're
the
not.
land guard.
Yeah, that was 100 years ago, fella.
Come on, dude.
The land guard gets pissed when we do that.
Yeah, yeah. The land guard doesn't like it when we do that squash tattoos.
Would you simmer down with those? Gotten a lot of requests for that. It's
Yeah.
not cool, man.
What the fuck? Like, with this whole
Thought you-
Kanye revolution. Jeez.
You were so original for it.
Yeah.
And what do
What
you
if-
got, Nate?
Well, what if there was a guy that got bit by a shark,
Mm-hmm.
and it bit him on the leg in a way that the bite went all the way from like his hip to like down to his foot.
Your leg would have to be like already crunched in and then bit for that to happen.
Right.
It'd be sick though.
Yeah.
That would be pretty cool.
No, that was a pretty cool scar.
As long as it was clean, you
I
know.
was thinking of. No, this was definitely real.
Dang.
But that's the thing about sharks is they will give you one bite because they want to see if
Squishy.
like yeah.
Is this one squishy?
Am I gonna eat you?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Too frail.
Yucky.
Yucky. Gross. Hell no.
No, they'll do that because they're like the garbage men of the sea. You know, they'll eat wounded animals and yeah, they bite you once.
Yeah,
and
that's
like, well,
what
you're wounded now.
That's what garbage men do. They eat you.
They eat
They
whatever
eat dead
is.
things on the road.
They just got like a grill on the side of the garbage truck. They're just cooking up roadkill.
Yo, a garbage truck with a grill pop out.
Garbage truck,
on the
food
fire.
truck. Oh my gosh!
I haven't seen one of those. Like you think of
Yeah, you probably.
No
have.
kidding.
Yeah, come on, bear with me. Yeah, like a garbage truck, but you know it's like refurbished as a food truck, and then you could.
I don't think you can.
What would you name that truck though? No, you could do it. Come on. Like it's just like the shell. It's not like any inner working parts or anything. It would have like the interior of a food truck and whatnot, but it would be a
Imagine turning a garbage truck into a camper.
like trash eats. What would you call it? What would you call your garbage truck food truck?
True.
Trashy.
Like trashy tacos.
Trashy tacos.
Can't refuse.
Yeah, straight garbage.
See that play on words?
Oh, can't refuse.
Can't refuse.
Can't reuse.
No, because refuse is garbage.
Refuse is garbage.
Like refuse is garbage.
Oh,
All
Can't
right,
refuse.
that's some Jeez, talk about
Next
a Nazi.
level.
You have
Grammar
glasses
Nazi.
yet?
Grammar Nazi. What?
You have
What'd you
glasses yet? Yeah.
No.
I just put my contacts in every morning. I slept with my contacts last night.
I used my monocle. Let's bring back the monocle, dude.
If you want to look classy, bring back the monocle.
Like
please.
are you allowed to do that? Are you allowed to get prescription monocles? I'm sure that's somewhere, but it's probably gouged out of the ass.
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
Prescription monocle would go hard.
I think the land guard might get you.
That's true.
Might get
Yeah.
fined.
What are you trying to do? See out of one eye?
Sorry, that's too much class.
It is a stupid invention, though. A monocle? Yeah, half sight, please. I only want to see half of what's in front of me.
Just one eye.
Coming
I
right
can
up.
barely stomach looking at all these poor people with
Yeah.
two.
Blindness is bliss.
I would rather not know.
I'd
At
rather
least
not.
I can know half of it.
Yes.
Be interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, why don't they bring back? They should bring back, as far as like gentleman class goes. What are some things they should bring back?
Gentleman class. I mean, the G-string is like, wait, like they need to bring that back.
The Nazi butt print.
Yeah, the Nazi.
Swastika.
Gotta come
swastika.
back.
Yeah,
The what?
that's got to come back.
Gotta come back.
No, but
A
really,
huge weight.
Realistically.
what would they take out? Like the 50-gallon hat? It used to be a sign of classness. Like, or top hats. I mean, that's like old class that no one's rocking anymore.
I was just thinking, like, even if every guy started just wearing collared shirts again,
yeah.
Yeah, it was a lot more formal.
or like,
And it was funnier to do dumb shit in your collared
yeah,
shirt.
exactly. It was more like appeal to it.
Yeah.
You're wearing like nice dress shoes, slacks, and a collared shirt, and you're like jumping off a bridge on a dare, and you're like, "Yo, that's awesome!
Yep.
This guy's nuts."
You're just running and sweating in your collared ass shirt. No, that is true. They need to bring back just nicer clothes. Have you seen like what new fashion looks like? Like what I'm wearing right now? No.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
high
terrible.
fashion, Roddy Rich.
High fashion. No, but it's a lot of everything just keeps getting more and more ripped. They're just tearing shit apart.
Interesting.
All these damn kids ripping their jeans up.
Just strategically putting holes in all your clothes,
It's style,
wearing a
okay?
cheese grater.
You have two holes where your nipples are. That is not. That is just.
That's a 3-piece suit,
Yeah,
and you
that-
have 2 holes cut out exactly where your nipples are.
That is, we need to cut holes out of these suits and do that. That would be so
That would
funny.
be pretty funny.
That would be, I would never die. That would be a part
You
of
remember
the
when-
legacy forever.
When we cut the butt off of those shorts and gave them to Josh.
We need to do that again too. We need to find.
That
we
was
need to
so
do some
funny.
assless chaps. Assless chaps. Harmless, funny joke. You just pop those on a camping trip. He's got the assless chaps.
Got the assless chaps on. Just warming my butt by the fire.
Yeah.
Just full butt out.
Gotta warm the buns. Whoa,
Putting my buns
dude.
next to the fire.
Golly.
You put them like right on someone's marshmallow. And they're like, golly, stop, man. Move it.
Damn. Get your cheeks off my mellow.
Sorry, I'm just a little cold.
A little cold out here. When you want to warm, you want to warm up. Jesus. No. But I mean, there isn't. If you think about it, there's nothing sexual about the cheek. But as soon as,
What?
Maybe not.
as soon as you
Maybe
it's
like
once you get to the crack.
20%.
I think in new
Okay,
fashion.
but you're saying a single cheek.
About
Yeah, you just got one cheek out.
It's a one cheek dying kind of day. Yeah.
There's some sauce to this outfit. Look, I got my one cheek out.
He's rocking the one cheek. Nice.
Well, because you can't have two cheeks out without there being a crack.
But
Without
if
there
you-
being a
no,
land
but
guard
you'll have
finding you.
something covering the crack, but you still have both cheeks out.
No,
Yeah,
you're
but it's
pretty-
pants. That's the best part, is that it's pants covering everything else but your two cheeks.
Uh-huh.
It's like those shoulderless shirts, you know?
Yeah?
But it's pants. Yes.
It's like a backless dress.
Yeah,
you
it's
know?
like a backless dress.
It's
Exactly.
just showing your butt, though.
Yes, dude. I don't think it's that provocative.
You just got out the front.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's like just see your whitey tighties right through the pants. You're like, dude, the pants have one job,
Bro.
and it's to cover that.
Come on. What are you putting that on for? Good grief.
Come on, have
He's
some.
got it. He's got dickless chaps.
Gonna ride bulls in that?
Yeah. Whoa, dude. You're
Like, I'm gonna try.
You're up for some chafing, my boy. You better oil up. Oh man. How far are we? Anything?
We got 10 minutes
10 minutes more? All right.
plus.
Oh, faring pretty well.
What else you got, Keenan? Huh?
Oh my gosh, nothing. We had prompts. We
Boo.
were like in the car riding around most of this week, and we had a bunch of prompts, and I just never wrote them down because I'm a fool of a toque.
Well, I got one more.
'Kay.
And this one is from one of our listeners.
Nice.
You know confession booths?
Yeah.
What if you had to do a confession booth with your resident tradesman, get a discount if you apologize for doing something dumb? For instance,
Who's a resident? What's a resident tradesman?
for instance, you retile a bathroom horribly.
Okay.
And so you're looking at your bathroom and you're like, oh my gosh, I did this so badly, but I don't want to pay full price, get it all redone. So I'm going to go to the tradesman confession booth, tile guy. Be like, forgive me, I have done the worst tile job in my bathroom ever.
This is a very personalized riff. Here. This one is straight.
This is pretty specific. This is pretty on the nose.
I don't blame you though, because half of mine have been like, "Oh, what if we had a point system for our 9 to 5s?" No, I mean, like, and if somebody like fucked up the paint job, you go over to Home Depot and you're just like, "Or I fucked up my paint job.
Can I
And-
get more paint?
Can I get more paint?" Like, no,
They hit you over the head. They flick holy paint on
no
you.
more paint. Make your own paint, man.
So is it just an old guy that you're pretty much just begging for hardware?
Yeah, you go there. and
Is
you're
this
like,
in like every O'Reilly's and
I
like
have
Ace
purchased-
Hardware?
I purchased the wrong screws and I stripped all of them. May I please get a few for free?
Please.
And he's like, no, the only thing that'll save you now is prayer.
Yeah.
You just kick
And you're
his
like,
door
dang
down.
it. Yeah, you find his house.
And you just rip him out of the confession booth. He's right there.
He's right next door.
I think finding his house is more fun.
All right, that's a lot of
Find his
work.
house. Hey, hang on, this guy's got a family of skinheads
Yeah, hey.
living
got him.
here.
full as I pee. Where's his family stay?
They're running heroin out of this house right now.
Holy cow. The Home Depot guy's got some real issues here.
I buy screws from this guy?
Wait a minute.
I confess to this guy?
I confessed about my paint job to this guy? And I was
Oh.
running heroin under my nose?
Now you're just like, you're running a blog. And your blog says, I buy screws from a skinhead.
Okay. Let's wrap it up, Raft.
Do priests go to confession?
You know, I think they're holy.
Yeah, no, they're
Enough.
the best. They know exactly what is right and what is wrong.
Sure.
But they're never like, come on, guys, I need a time.
Guys, you know what? I think I did something wrong.
Guys,
It's
What?
my turn in the booth.
yeah, it's my turn in the booth.
Do
Yeah,
they
it's-
like rent out another priest from a different church to like
Do they put like a
They
more
confess to each
special
other?
booth next to
Yeah.
the
They're
booth?
trying to one-up each other.
they got the priest booth?
They got like the
I've done more messed up stuff. Forgive me.
I get the
We've done
gold
that joke.
booth.
We've done that joke. I remember doing that joke.
What,
Remember when we did the whole thing about the Pope with the Nikes
Yeah.
and the glory hole?
Oh,
booth? Yeah.
I think we've run the confession booth
we've
effectively into the
We've
ground.
hit the Catholics so hard this season.
Yeah, the Catholics are.
Yeah.
The Mormons next.
We're coming for you guys. Nobody's
Well,
safe.
Fellow castaways, we're going to cut it there. This has been the Riff Raft. Thanks for drifting with us. Bye.
Bye.
See ya.